Hey everyone, welcome back to my Sitecore Diaries, your ultimate guide to digital experience excellence, your go-to channel for all the things in Sitecore and .NET. I am Jitendra Ghanekar, Sitecore Technology MVP 2024 and 2025. So today we are diving into the another exciting episode of the video series React Fundamentals and Beyonds. So in this video, we will take a real world example and transform a static HTML into a React magic, a React code. So this hands-on approach will help you to understand how Reacts bring reusability, modularity, and efficiency. And we are going to use the concept of functional component in this video. So get ready to code along and let's turn a static HTML into a React magic. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on notification bell to get latest update from my Sitecore Diaries. Alright, let's get started.
So let's recap what we have covered in last few videos in this series. There is a month gap. So let's see what we have seen in the last videos of this series, the React fundamentals and beyonds. So first of all, we started with Next.js versus React. So where we discuss what is React and Next.js, what are the features of React and Next.js. We have seen what is client-side rendering, what is server-side rendering, what is the difference between client-side rendering and server-side rendering. In the next video, we have seen the React fundamentals. We started with the React fundamentals. We have seen what is component-based architecture, what is single-page application, what is virtual DOM and JSX. In the third video of the React, we explore the state, props, and hooks concept and their role in the React application. In the last video, we have started working on React application. So we have set up React application along with a GitHub, and today we are taking that ahead and we are going to create a website, a page in the React application. So if you haven't watched these videos, I will give the link of the complete series in the description as well as on the top I button, so you can have a look on that. So we will start today's video now.
So if you remember, we have set up this. Okay, so we are going to build the our React application, the actual website on this blank instance only. Okay, so first of all, let's see what we are going to build and then how that can be transferred. So there is a HTML which I have created, which we are going to transfer to the React. So let's see first HTML, and then we will see how we can migrate that into the React. Okay, so we have this page created. Here we have a logo, my Sitecore Diaries logo. Then we have a different menus here. This is a banner for our page, our website. Then this is a contain, the description is here. Then there are services, what services we are providing. So those contained are here. Then what are our three latest videos that is coming here. Then how to contact us, so that is given in this section. And then we have a footer, the copyright, and the social media account handle. So this is our page. So once if you click on about us, it is going to the about us section. If you click on our videos, so it is going latest video section. Our services, contact. So once you click on the download resume, it will start downloading the resume. So that is how a page which we have created, a website page, a single page application which we have created. Now that we are going to migrate to the React, and this is built on the HTML. Okay, so this is the HTML structure which we are having, and it is a static HTML. So let's see the HTML also. So this is the HTML which we have created for the this application. So initially we have a style. Okay, and then we have started with the header section here, where you have a logo and the links. This is a static website. Okay, so then we have a banner here, and the clickable to that banner is a clickable. Then the description and the h1 tag, and then the service section here. Okay, so three service sections are here. Then we have a CTA section where we are showing the latest videos, then contact section and the footer. So this is how our footer is built. So, okay, so this is our static page. So this is basically our static page, and our goal is to migrate or convert this HTML code to the React. So now we are going to work on the React application, and this is the same React application, the blank React application which we have created in the previous video. So if you have not seen that video, I will give the link at the top I button or in the comment section also. You can have a look and look that you can set up your initial blank instance, and then we can start working on this. Okay, so you have to set up that. So I already set up this so in the last video. So now I'm starting from creating the from moving the index HTML code to the React code. Okay, so we are going to use the first thing is the functional component. So now what is functional component and what is how it is used, that we have explained in the another video in detail, so you can have a look on that. So we are going to use a functional component. The functional component is a JavaScript function that returns a JSX, and that is nothing but a React elements, and it's used to build UI element. Okay, so that for creating that components, first of all we have to divide our pages into the components. Okay, so we have already seen this HTML page and we have seen there are multiple sections. Okay, so section is nothing but for us is the components only. We will create a blank components. Okay, and then we will build on it. So first of all we have to go to the src folder. Okay, in this src folder I'm creating the folder name components. Okay, and then inside a components we will create new files. So first thing is, let's start with header.js. So first of all header, and then banner, and then description section. So let's name it as a about us. After about us we have a service section. So let's create a services. After services we have videos. So video.js. Then we have a contact. So let's create contact.js. And at the end we have a footer.js. So okay, so we have created the components here blank. At this point all those are blank. Okay, we will make it as a functional component. Okay, we will now make all this component as a functional component. So let's start with about us file. So about us.js. Okay, I will just copy the code what I have written here. So this is a basic functional code. First of all, we are importing the React library, and here we are exporting default about us. Okay, and this is function which we have written for about us. So this is a functional component, and what it is returning is the h2. And so for now we will just return the h2 tag for all the component. Later we will add the code from the HTML. Okay, so this is what we are doing here. So contact us about us, and then we are returning this h2 tag. Okay, so this is our about us. Let's do one thing. Let's make the same code for the other things. So this is contact, sorry, this is footer, then this is header, this is hero banner, this is services, and this is video. Now as we have created the simple functional component, we have to set that we have to render those on the application. For that we have to modify the app.js. Okay, so in app.js, first thing is we have to import the React library. So I'm just putting here. Now here is in the app.js we have a static code here. Instead of that we want the render the component. So first of all let's try with header. So before adding it the header component we have to import that. So header components. Okay, now we have imported the header, so let's render header here. Now let's see whether it works. So let's run this. Okay, now if you see here, this is a functional component header. So that is coming from the header because in the header component we have added this. Okay, so let's do all the things from about us to video.js, or we will add all the things here. So header, then we have a about us. Then we have contact, then footer, header we have already added. So with hero banner, then service, and we have video. Video. Okay, now let's render the components as per our index design, index HTML design. Okay, so if I go to the, if I change the index website, we have a header first. So we already added header. Then we have about us. So let's add about us. After about us, we have a service section. So let's add service. Services. After services, we have video. So let's add video. After video we have contact and then footer. So let's add both the things. footer. Okay, now let's check. Okay, see, if you see the page here, it is added all the footer as all the component as per the sequence which we have added. Okay, fine. Now let's add one by one the code for each component. So basically we are moving the code from HTML to each component. Okay, so let's add this logo, sorry, header part. This is a header section. Okay, and we will open header. So instead of h2, we will return this component. Okay, now if you see here, it is image is showing an error. So let's resolve that. Okay, this is done. Header is done. Now next is the description part. So this is the, sorry, about us part. So we will add about us instead of h2. Okay, let's again check. Okay, it will need a parent element here. So it's a parent component. So let's add one section here. Now this image is throwing an error. Let's resolve that also. Okay. Next is service section. So let's add service section also. Just a minute. I think we have made a mistake here in about us. This part, this anchor tag, is a part of a banner, not a description. So I just remove it. This so again I'm going back here. Now let's copy the service section and we will add it in services. Again, these images are throwing error because it's not closing tag, it is not taking. So let's close that. Let's, and this is videos. Again, the image is having the issue, so let's close that. Then we have contact section. We'll again see the about us. I think there is something wrong. About us. Okay, it's correct. we need to add the banner code. I think we missed the banner code, so let's add banner. This one. Yeah, we have missed the banner. Let's add that. Okay. Let's add the style also. Style will be added in app.css. So at this level, we'll create a new file. We'll name it as app.css. Okay, and then we will copy all these style sheets just created here. App.css, terminate style here. Also, we have to import this file. Now we have moved the style sheet here, app.css. So we have to import that file also here. Okay, let's import the file. Import from okay, just import. So you just have to write import and then your files. Now this is also done. Also missing the hero banner here. I think let's add that also. Hero banner. Okay, so we have added the CSS also, and the we have rectified the images also. Let's see if we are still getting the error. So npm start. Okay, we are still having an error. So let's open DevTools. I think it is coming as a problem and got style property. There must be somewhere we are using a style property which is wrong. In which component the error is coming? Let's remove one by one and see if let's add only single item and then we will single component. They will see where it is not working. Okay, so I'm just removing all this and let's see whether it works. See, header has come, so header doesn't have any issue. Let's go back to the second component, hero banner X. Oh, so this is giving an error. So hero banner is giving an error. Let's see what's there in this code. So let's go to hero banner. Okay, so let's review the hero banner code. There is a issue in this style, so I can see this. There is a style sheet here. I think this is not a right way of doing it. So let's rectify this. It should be 20. For time being, what we will do is we will just comment this control KC. Okay, now let's see. Yes, hero banner has come. Okay, but this path is wrong, so let's change that. Yes, that. So banner has a style issue, so we remove it. Now let's see the next one, that is about us. Okay, so about us also has an issue. So let's go to the about us. See, this is wrong. We have a style sheet here. Let's remove this style sheet. You can use that, you can create a class for this and then apply it. So let's remove this one now. Let's rectify all this. Yes, let's go. The next one is video, sorry, services as well. Now let's move to one video. Video also has worked. Then let's final one. Footer and contact. Let's see this. Yes, yes. Okay, so all the things are done and the page are running. This image is not running, so let's fix that also. That's in the footer, so let's go to the footer. And which image? Which was that image? Sorry, it's in the contact us. Okay. LinkedIn. This image is correct. App. Yes. Images slash PNG. Okay, it's done. Okay, all the things are done here. Okay, everything is coming. Let's check the functionality. Yes, it is going to about us. Our videos is going to about our videos, our services, contact. Fine, I think it's fine. Okay, so we had migrated the complete HTML to the React code. Now the things which we need to take care is this style sheet. What we experience here. So style sheet directly which we are adding it is not taking it. So we will have a separate maybe one explanatory explanation video for that. So for now we have migrated all the HTML code to the React code. Okay, so let me summarize what we have done. We have, first of all, we have used a functional component. So we have created, we have seen the HTML structure, and accordingly we divided the sections, and according to the section we created the component. So we have a different components created. So we have used JS file here. You can use JSX also. So we have used JS file here, and we have created all the component in the components folder in the source and the with the file names of the component. Okay, and then what we have done is we in the app.js we have imported the React library in all the components along with the CSS. For CSS we have created a separate class file app.css where we moved all our CSS, and then for each section we copied the the HTML from the HTML index.html, that is our sample example, and we added that as a part of functional component which returns the HTML part. So we have done that, and we have faced some issues related to the style sheet section, so we rectified that. Now up next, what we are going to do is we are going to see few of the things which we should be doing it while migrating the React code, the HTML code to the React code. The one thing which we have seen is the style sheet. So there are other things also which we are going to see next.
So this video has become quite long, so we will stop here for today, and then in next video we will start where we left from today. So what we are going to do in the next video is we are going to continue with converting the HTML code into the React code. So we are going to see what are the things which we need to take care while converting the HTML code into the React code, so that we will continue, and then finally in going forward in this video series we'll make this code dynamic. Currently it is a static one, so that is going to come in the next series of videos. And along with that we are also we will understand this few concept. Like today we have seen what is component functional components, so similarly we will explore all the other topics, which all the concept which we have already seen the theoretically how it happens, but that we are going to see practically how we are going to implement. So if you enjoy this video, please like, share and leave a comment in the comment section. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, please do consider subscribing to the channel and click on notification bell to get latest update. I will see you in next week. Until then, happy coding and thank you for watching.